Hey everyone, BH Cards here, and today we are going Zegras hunting. We've got a box of 2021-2022 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Apologies in advance if I don't say his name right. I don't know if it's Zegras or Zegras. I say Zegras, so apologies in advance there. But speaking of Trevor Zegras, I have a bet for you watching this video right now. So we're making this video. We've got this box. I will bet you right now that I have a Zegras. So I want you to think in your head, how much money would you bet me that I don't have a Zegras? So think about that. How much money would you bet me? All right. How much? Well, guess what? You lost. The LCS that I went to, local card shop, gave me for free as part of purchasing this box the Trevor Zegras National Hockey Card Day rookie card. So we've got a Zegras. Whatever's in that box, we got a Zegras, and you owe me however much money you thought of. Gotcha there a little bit, huh? And if you do hear meowing in the background, that is my friend Jason, the cat. He wants to come in the room right now. However, he jumps all over every table that he can get near. So really can't have that right at the moment. Maybe at the end of the video, we'll let Jason come and say hi. But for right now, he's just got to stay out of the room. So if you hear meowing, the cat is totally fine. He just really wants to be in, and he wants to walk all over the hockey cards that are going to be on top of the table. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started here. Today's video might be a little more conversational than normal. The local card shop also gave me a pack of the National Hockey Card Days, so I don't know if we could get Zegras again. That'd be really cool if we ended up with 2 Trevor Zegras rookies before even opening this guy here. Also, shout out, I do have black nitrile or vinyl gloves, whatever they are, finally. So that's really cool. Saw someone do this. Sadly, I can't remember their name. Can't give them a shout out. But I saw someone do this in this video, and I'm like, wow, that's a really great way to not fingerprint up your cards, especially if you're going to send them in for grading. So I did acquire a pair, and so I've got these ready for today. All right, and I'm opening the pack. Boom! Right off the bat, baby. Trevor Zegras. So we've got 2, and Keith Tkachuk, American Icons, Philip Grubauer. Oh, that's the first Seattle Kraken card that I have seen. That's really cool, even though Grubauer hasn't had the best year. Spencer Knight, America's Rookies. Oh, dude, look at, there he is, my man. Big G, Gritty. So that is really cool. That's a really cool pack of cards right there. And here's the checklist. Looks like Cedar's also in there, Byfield, and you can see the rest of the names as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I don't know what's up with the mascots. They don't show mascots on here, but I will take all the mascots I can get, especially Gritty. I don't know anybody who doesn't like Gritty, so yay, Gritty! And so I am still short on sleeves and top loaders. I really need to fix that problem, so I'm not going to be stacking cards up as we go along. Yes, that is a fish tank in the background, so you probably hear some bubbling in the background of this video as well, too. And I'm going to try to get in a little more comfier position here as we get this box ripped open. Hopefully the lighting is good. I recently moved, and I'm not in my usual habitat. Okay, I'm going to have to use my slight fingernail to get this open. Bear with me a second here, everyone. I hope your teams are doing well. I hope they're not completely screwed like my Sabres are, but Eichel's coming back to Buffalo to play in a couple of days, so really excited to see that game. Really excited to see what happens. Alex Tuck has been amazing. Peyton Krebs has been pretty good, and Eichel's working his way back. So it looks like it might be a win-win deal for both teams. That's always nice to see, that it works out for both teams and that somebody didn't get completely hosed on the deal there. That's ideally what you want, is a trade that helps both teams. All right, so we're ripping the packaging here. I'm not going to run through the odds today. I think everybody, I'm not the first guy to open this product by any means, so I think you've all seen that in other videos, and you don't really need me to go through it. Really, like the last video that I did, I'm really just hoping to get something hobby exclusive, man. I could buy, a retail mega box and still get 6 Young Guns. Paying the extra, $40, $50, whatever it may be, for the hobby box. I really want just something that's hobby exclusive as I bump the camera like a amateur. Well, that's what I am here for sure. Definitely an amateur. Let's slide that back over. All right. So yeah, definitely want a clear cut. We all want exclusives, and certainly I do want one, but yeah, just with paying the price point, I really want to see something hobby exclusive come out of here. Like I say, even if it's just a clear cut, but I do like the jerseys as well, so I wouldn't mind a nice jersey card. But yeah, hopefully something more than just a regular French parallel. And I think it's the honor roll that you can get if you're not getting like an exclusives or a high gloss, which. So I'm trying to put this glove back on, and who knows, maybe we'll edit this part out of the video. I can't get this glove back on. It got all twisted up. Yeah, this is definitely getting edited out, or who knows, I'll just leave it and you can laugh at me. All right, well, without further ado, let's get that a little nice and centered up. Okay, let's get to ripping. Let's see how we do. I haven't seen many people pull a Drysdale rookie, so I don't know what's going on with that. If the people, with the best configurations just don't have Drysdale, or if the particular community I'm in is just not pulling Drysdale, but be really curious to see what happens here. So okay, getting this ripped open here. All right, hopefully everyone can see it. So we've got Brett Pesce, Alex Iafallo, OEL, still in his Coyotes jersey. Okay, that's a little odd. And our first hit is going to be a Dazzlers, 1/24, and it's going to be JT Miller. Outstanding season by JT this year. Unfortunately, he might get traded. I don't know why they want to do that. If I were them, I'd probably add some more defensemen and some more bottom six forwards, but Noah Hannafin is having a great year. Josh Archibald. Niels Höglander, second-year base. And Sebastian Aho. Canes are so good this year, man. I think it's going to be, Carolina, Florida, or Tampa out of the East. I would guess Colorado. Coming out of the West. And here we go, second pack. I think you can kind of see our hit card there. Looks like we might have a portraits coming up. I really like the look of the portraits this year, too. Really like them. Joel Farabee. Jordan Stahl. Chandler Stevenson. Seth Jones, not in his Blackhawks uniform. Okay. And then... oh, it is actually, it's going to be a Hundo P gold variation. And it is Joe Pavelski. Let's see if we got a number on that. No number, but I believe that's the gold one. I think the normal ones, it's just like black and white. So, yeah. I mean, it's an interesting looking card. Not quite... that might take us out of the running for like a hobby exclusives or something, which would be a little disappointing, but we'll see. We'll keep going. Jesper Bratt, Tyler Johnson, Jake Allen. So yeah, I mean, in terms of, you know, configurations and values, you know that I really like to talk about numbers on this channel. I mean, if we can walk away with a Young Guns canvas and a jersey card, I'm always down for that combination, along with whatever, you know, whatever 6 Young Guns we get. So it doesn't necessarily have to be an exclusives or a clear cut for me, as like I say, as much as it would be nice to get those, being you're opening a hobby exclusive, hobby box rather. You want something hobby exclusive to come out of it, and this pack is just always jacked up. Okay, so we've got Ristolainen, still in a Sabres uniform. Radulov, McCann. Oh, there's our first Young Guns. I think I spoiled it. Clayton Keller, and our first one is going to be... Oh, no. I saw Tanner, and I was thinking Janot, but this is Tanner... Okay, Tanner Laczynski, or Laczynski, from the Philadelphia Flyers. I'm going to be honest, I don't know who that is. Nylander in the reverse retro. And Blake Wheeler. So we are on the board with our first Young Guns. You guys hear Jason? He's a talker. Anytime he is slightly inconvenienced, he lets the world know. He makes you think that he hasn't been fed in days, that everybody hates him, but that's just not the case. He gets a lot of love. We bought him a scratching post this past weekend, and he loves that, and he gets a million treats. He is spoiled rotten. He just wants to come in and jump on the table, walk on the hockey cards right now. All right, there's Nick Leddy. I bet you we're going to see like the jersey updates and the Kraken cards. They're going to be an extended this year. That's my guess. Petey in the retro. Okay, there we go. Here is our UD game jersey. This is going to be PK Subban. So a little bit of a different design this year. They're going with the puck. Last year was the stick. Year before was the Stanley Cup, which I really like the look of those ones. Those were slick. But yeah, here's PK Subban, UD game jersey. And game used. So yeah, PK Subban jersey card. Wild Bill. K'Andre Miller, second year. All right. And I mentioned to Ben, so I'm going to share it with all of you as well too today. If I do not pull Kalen Addison's Young Guns, I'm actually going to buy that one from eBay after this video here. I really like Kalen Addison. I saw his Young Gun selling for around $10. I think there's a lot of room for improvement on that. So he's the guy that has stuck out to me as, you know, being the best so far investment opportunity. You know, certainly if I don't know. But yeah, definitely pick up Kalen Addison's Young Guns. Okay. Keith Yandel. Tomas Hertl. Tyler Myers. Okay, and we've got, I don't know what that is. Tage, my boy Tage. Absolutely having himself a season. Way to go, baby. And we've got Richie, I can't talk today. Rookie retrospective of K'Andre Miller. So there is that. And we've got our second year Kirill So I'm actually going to put that with my hits. That one's got a little action right now. Yubi. And Naz Kadri. All right. Oh yeah, I think I'm just going clockwise today opening these packs. I haven't even really noticed. I've just been kind of grabbing them. Oh geez, what a rip that is. All right, how do I not damage the cards on this one? Still 5 Young Guns to go, by the way. Okay, so there's the Liquor, Brad. Sid the Kid. Carter Hart. Okay, Vasilevsky, and let's see what our hit card is going to be. I have no idea. Canvas? Oh, nice. There we go, baby. Matthias Samuelsson, Buffalo Sabres. I like this kid. He's going to be more of a stay-at-home defenseman. He's probably not going to get a lot of crazy market love, but I'm happy to have this guy. I'm cool with having all of the Sabres, even the ECHL goalie, Michael Doogiehauser, as I like to call him. So yeah, that's awesome. And I totally just noticed, which you all probably saw already, and probably were yelling at me about how much of an idiot I am, which is okay, because I'm a certified idiot. There's no doubt about that. French Young Guns, Tanner Lisinski. So that's really cool. That's really cool to get a French Young Guns. So we're doing pretty well then, man. We just pulled our first Young Guns. We did get a French Young Guns. We got a jersey. We got the gold Hundo P. So we still got 5 Young Guns to go. And, you know, who knows? Maybe there's even more. Sometimes things just randomly get inserted. So there's Darnell Nurse. Anton Khudobin. I'm surprised goalie-needy teams haven't given this guy a try because he's been on the market. And this would be 3rd year, I think, Cale Makar. 3rd year Cale. King Cale, that's right. I call him King Cale. All right. So super happy that I pulled Samuelsson. Very awesome. And that Tanner Lisinski turned out to be a French Young Guns. And I'm just throwing the packs on the floor as usual, just make it a big mess, as always. Just really high value over here at BH Cards. Okay. Nicholas Backstrom. Dude, if we could pull a Canvas Young Guns too, I think this would be an incredible box. Okay, Torrey Krug. Patrice. What's going on here? Young Guns, Joey Keane, Carolina Hurricanes. I do not know much about this prospect, so if you can fill me in, please feel free to drop a comment and let me know about this guy here. But there is Joey Keane. And Jason the Cat is still going off in the background. Tim Stützle, 2nd year. Oh, he's coming closer. Oscar Lindblom. The Meows are getting closer. Miles Wood. And Riley Smith. I don't see Vegas trading Riley Smith. Now that they've had so many guys on long-term injured reserve, it's kind of worked out for them in a way. So they don't really have a need to trade Riley Smith anymore from what I can see. So I think he's going to be there, and I think it's the right choice, and I think they're going to have a real good, I think they're going to find a way to get in the playoffs, and I think they're going to at least win a round, because they'll be able to bring Stone back, and probably Patches will be ready by then too, so. something that you can't see is snagging. So I had to be really careful there. Oh my goodness. What a... These aren't ripping very nicely today. Maybe it's the gloves that I have. Okay. Josh Anderson. Lars Eller. Dylan DeMello. Oh, another Hundo P. We've got Hundo P out the wazoo today. And it's going to be Duncan Keith, formerly of the Blackhawks. Maybe that lady who we gave a free puck to will buy this from me, because I don't know who wants a Duncan Keith Blackhawks card nowadays. Adam Fox, third year, rather. Vladdy. And Daddy, Evgeny Dadonov. Oh, one more. JT Miller, making an appearance again. All right. We still got 4 Young Guns to go. We pulled a lot of inserts already. I would imagine that there's still 3 to 4 canvases to go. And the portraits will still be coming. Maybe an honor roll. Okay. These is just, it's a nightmare ripping these packs, but I'm not complaining, just telling you guys to heads up, just be ready to rip super careful. You don't want to damage your cards. I would even take a second jersey card, man. I still like jersey cards. I think they're undervalued. I actually bought a Sidney Crosby game used for 25 bucks, just a plain white swatch, but I think they're undervalued. I might make a video about that someday where I'll talk about it more and explain why, but Richard Panik, Detroit Red Wings having a nice little season for where they're at, making some improvements. Zach Parise, there he is, who's an Isle now. Tyler Seguin. And Eric Robinson in the reverse retro. And portraits. It's going to be slow reveal. Let's have some fun with the portraits. Oh, the Pasta Man. All right. I like him. He's a elite hockey player. Not elite like McDavid, but oh, there's some, see the damage on this one right here on the left side. It's a little bit damaged. Some quality control. Maybe we can get that one into Upper Deck. They usually take good care of me, as you've probably seen from the videos. Here's Bob, or Bob's, whatever. Sergachev, and Nedeljkovic, still in his Hurricanes uniform. Another funky rip. What is going on? That glue is just super strong, like on the corners or something. It's interesting. Okay. Tyler Toffoli, who was recently traded to the Flames. Luch. Tristan Jarry. Kevin Lankinen, second year. And I think we've got an honor roll here. It's going to be, oh, everybody's favorite. Where's the cheese? Where's the cheese? It's Brad. Kreider. Andersley. And Marc-Andre, Chicago Blackhawk, Fleury. All right, we still got 4 Young Guns to go. I'm really hoping for a canvas rookie. Honor roll again. Hubie. I don't know why we got 2 honor rolls. That's a little weird. Definitely need the womp womp sound for pulling a second honor roll. I think that really lowers our odds of getting a random hobby exclusive insert. I mean, outside of the French Young Guns and the Hundo P Gold, I think that's hobby exclusive, but maybe I'm wrong. But still 4 more Young Guns. We still got a lot of packs. Oh, Keisher with a cage. What a beaut. Keisher with a cage. It's our baby boy, Rasmus Dahlin in the royal blue. Victor Arvidsson, LA King, and portraits, Rasmus Dahlin. He doesn't look like he wants to make love to us in this UD portrait like his 1920 Series 1 base card did. That was a really awkward photo there in that one. So we'll put that in the keeper pile, which is different from where the Brad honor roll ended up. That one is probably going to get sent back to hell where it belongs. Josh Morrissey, Mackenzie Weegar, Pollock, and Johnny T. Oh my Lord. Killing me, Smalls. Okay, oh, that came off really easy. Always be careful how you open your cards. There we go. Nice and easy. Again, a Hundo P? Are you kidding me? Dude, I haven't seen anybody pull 3 Hundo Ps. That is insane. Roman Josi in a reverse retro. So this is I got the Hundo P box for sure today. Roman Josi, Drew Doughty, Marty Jones, Tanner Pearson. Tanner's still a pretty good hockey player, man. He's been in the league for a while. Not a superstar, but the guy's decent. If Vancouver does want to get out of some cap, that could be a good addition for somebody wanting to bolster their bottom 6. Even though they really could use him in their top 6 or bottom 6. You can kind of move him interchangeably in the lineup. That's another cool thing about Tanner. Okay. So we've got Cat. Where's our Zegras, man? Where is he? Craig Smith. Nick Hague, fine young defenseman there. Tanner Janot, Young Guns. Okay, there's a pretty good one. Tanner Janot. It's got a little damage on that left side there. I don't know if we should go to UD on that one or if we should just eBay it, but we'll see. So Tanner Janot, that's a pretty good Young Guns there. Kempe, Halmerson, and Chuckles. Didn't Halmerson retire? Or Chalmerson? Isn't he retired? I don't even think he's still in the league. How on earth is he in this product? That's really odd. What are you pulling on us, Upper Deck? What kind of shenanigans do you got going on? Oh, my Lord. I'm sorry, guys and girls. They're all going to open this way at this point. Like, you know how I usually rip them. It's usually super easy, super clean. And this is just not happening today. All right. So, sorry for the glare, Kerfoot. Scheifele, second year Norris, and canvas, Dr. Dry. Rasmus Anderson. Those black canvas cards are really sweet. Jakob Vrana, who has unfortunately missed the entire year. Looking forward to seeing him get back to action next year. Jared Spurgeon. And recently waived and not claimed Danny DeKeyser. Another one of Ken Holland's worst contracts ever signed. There, Danny DeKeyser, just been on the books for too much money for too long. Guy's a good hockey player, but not at what they're currently paying him. All right, baby, still looking for some heat. Still looking to pull some heat here. So, Ethan Bear. Where's Zegras? Goudreau. Zadina. Thatcher, and what's our hit card going to be? Oh, beautiful. I love these electromagnetics. They look so cool. And it is a Golden Knight, my second favorite team. Shea Theodore, that is beautiful. Super sick looking card. I like that a lot. So he's going to go with our good hits, unlike where Brad is in the bad hits. Adam Boquist. Shea Theodore. Elvis. Okay, Elvis is the last card of the pack. Okay, we are coming down to the wire. We've got 1, 2, the pack in my hand is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs to go. 3 Young Guns and at least 2 canvases, hopefully 3 canvases, because that usually means the third one is a rookie. And pardon me, I'm ripping it off camera because it's kind of an awkward position, and this one is just not ripping nicely again. Okay. All right. Second year, Laugh. Put him with the second year Kirill. Greenway. Horny. And I don't know what this is. What is this? Sammy. Okay, that's a base. Sammy Gerard. And this should be our hit card. Canvas, Shat Deuces from the Ducks. So that's cool. Wearing the alternate. The reverse retro was the Wild Wings. So that's the alternate uni there. And he's called Shat Deuces because he wears 22. I think that's his Twitter handle. Gensel's Pretzels. Kevin Hayes. Whoa! TJ Brody trying to just dive and end it all right out of my fingers. All right. All right. So we've got Maddie. There's McJesus right there. Put that in with our second year Kirill. That one might have some action. Guryanov. Gabriel Landeskog. Oh, what's this? Is that a black border? There are some black canvases. Nope, it's part of the sky. Kyle Cotter, UD Canvas base. We got absolutely bamboozled there. Joel Edmondson, Kuzi, and PLD. PLD wears 80 now for Kivlenix, so that's an old photo from the... Looks like there's no crowd. Looks like that might be even from the... I don't know. I guess just an empty arena, not the bubble. It's not a bubble card. Okay, second year bunting. Blackwood. Hedman, come on, baby. Where's our Zuccarello? So the hit's next. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, Cam York. That's a pretty good one. I saw 4 on the sleeve and I got a little excited. But yeah, Cam York, that's a pretty good Young Guns there. I think he was a first-round pick. And then we've got our checklist with Laugh and Jack Hughes, Max Domi, and Matt Grzelcyk. All right. 2 Young Guns left. 5 packs. Anybody want to buy 5 packs from me and get 2 Young Guns? What's that? Huh? I can't hear you. Oh, okay, no, I guess nobody wants to. All right, I'll just open them. All right, Varley, Braden Shen, Shabbat, Canvas, Natty Mac. So there is no Young Guns canvas, which is disappointing. Tolvanen, Falk, Gord, Trouba. All right, 4 packs. Come on, baby. Come on. I want to see another duck in here. Not that duck. I want another duck. Checklist. Young Guns. There he is. Zegras and Caufield, but it's the checklist. So, I mean, that's still pretty good. That's got to have some kind of value at the moment. So, all right, we'll take it. I think that means we're probably not getting the Zegras or Caufield Young Guns at this point, but... Checklist will have a little bit of value. Ikes in his Royal. Ekholm and Chikrin. All right, so we got 3 packs left. 1 more Young Gun to go. It's probably not Zegras. Hopefully we can get Luukkonen, Swayman. I think Swayman shows up with Janot a lot, or Jano, whatever the hell his name is. Yeah, Swayman, Knight, or Luukkonen would be really nice to come away with here. Hopefully we can pull that off, or at the very least I can get another Saber, even if it's not Luukkonen. We get Bryson, Hauser, and shame on me, I forget the other one. Okay. Horvat. Lowry, Verhaeghe, Peugeot. Okay, next one's our hit card. Come on. Spencer Knight. Rookie retrospective. Vitek Vanacek. Blocking his head. Sorry about that. Abs. Donskoy. And Colin White. My local card shop, they either had, I get confused if it was a master or if it was just an inner, but they definitely had a full case there. So if we don't find the case hit, it might be worth going back there, knowing that it's still probably out there. So Konechny, Ty Smith, Marchessault, okay. Yep, Capo Caco. Next one's our hit card. Come on. Wyatt Kalynuk. All right. Roslovic, Keith, and second year Cousins in the Royal. Last pack. I don't know what's going to be in here, but that is it for our Young Guns. Maybe another rookie retrospective, I think. All right. Jesse. Palat. Natchez. Debut dates, Ilya Sorokin. And it was not a good debut, but Ilya is definitely a very fine young goalie. So, with that said, we've got Justin Hall, Jeff Carter, Jeff Petrie, and finally, Mikko. Still not a good goalie, Koskinen. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. If you'd like to, please like and subscribe. I'm always willing to, to do the same for you. That's going to be BH Cards for today. I will catch you next time.